Alright everyone, good afternoon and welcome aboard. My name's David, I'll be your pilot today. Let's see, is it Vijesh? Is that how you say it? Okay. And Sonu up front, aloha. And Pamela, James, Harvey, and Virginia. Did everybody see the video safety briefing? You guys have any questions about the briefing? No? Then let's get going. There are microphones. There's one up front here for you. Just press the button, tuck right into the top. You got two in the back there. I'll have to get them turned off for about the first 12 minutes of the flight. Once we're clear of the airspace, then we can turn them on. We can start chatting. What we're going to do is go up behind us here where the upper falls are. We'll look at some waterfalls, and then we'll head out towards the Kilauea. And I can turn the microphones on the way to Kilauea. Sit tight. We'll be out of here in just a minute. Going on 6.
Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry. Be happy. Landlord say your rent is late. You may have to litigate. Don't worry.
Here we go.
Look at me, I'm happy.
Good afternoon, Hilo Tower, Blue 38 at the Cat with Delta. Requested takeoff west and then up to Upper Falls.
Channel.
Good afternoon, Hilo Tower, Blue 38 at the Cat with Delta. Request west takeoff and then up to Upper Falls.
Blue 38, Hilo Tower, squawk 0547, departure from the Cat, be at your own risk.
Roger that, Blue 38. We're on our way to the Wailuku River, which is just up ahead. This is all the city of Hilo. About 46,000 people living right in the town here. And then all these
Blue
red
38,
buildings.
multiple Shaka helicopters maneuvering over the falls, contact departure.
Blue 38 looking for Shaka, switching up. Hilo departure, Blue 38 with you, climbing through 1,100.
Blue 38, Hilo departure radar contact, traffic over to falls, 3 Shaka helicopter.
Okay, we'll be looking for Shaka, Blue 38. That is the University of Hawaii off the left, all the buildings with the red roofs and the in that forested area. U of H has campuses on Maui, Kauai, and Oahu. And this is the Wailuku River right here. I'll follow it up a little further, and we'll do some left and rights further up where there's some waterfalls. Okay, I have one of the shotguns. the Hamakua coast in front of us and off to the right. This is all the lower slope of Mauna Kea.
Constantly reminded of the hurt inside, forced to be without you near. Now I
We have traffic overhead.
live for myself. I no longer need.
These are albizia trees off the left, native to Africa. They were brought here for lumber. They didn't do so well, but the birds and the wind spread them everywhere on the island. And all these short trees are over right now. These are macadamia nuts. This is a mac nut farm. Okay, I have both helicopters maneuvering up the falls.
Now that my tears have stopped, I can see that
And everything off our right up the hill, that's all Viola rainforest. About 50% of this island is owned by the state of Hawaii. And it's kept mostly as forest reserves and conservation areas. So a lot of what you're seeing is going to stay just like this.
On the beach in Hawaii.